Hi guys, so today we're going to create a menu, which means if you have a restaurant or catering service, this would be useful for you. Or perhaps you're just designing a graphic for such business. So first, let's scroll down here and go to the marketing materials section, and then click on menu templates. The size of a menu is 8.5 inches, but 11 inches could be fine too. So here are some menu templates. Okay, you just change the photos and change the text, then just edit it as per your design idea. Now, let's look at different designs. Again, you can change the font, the colours. You can make it yellow, blue, or any colour you want. This way, you can also learn how to use frames and grids. So let's drag this menu items on the right, and then let's go to the elements section here and click on elements, and then click on frames. So we will not just be adding a photo, we will be adding a frame. As you can see, here are different designs of frames. So let me just scroll down because I want to find a circular frame. Now, let me just drag this frame and make this smaller, and then just click copy. Okay, as you can see in the menu, items here, we have crispy fried chicken, mixed fruit. So let me just look for a picture of a fried chicken and do the same here on the top left section. Click search and then type fried chicken. So here are some pictures of fried chicken, as you can see. Some of these pictures are free and some cost $1. But if you don't want to pay for a picture and you would like to opt for free pictures, then log into pixabay.com where you can find royalty-free photos and search there to find a fried chicken photo. So here are some fried chicken photos that you can use for free, but for the purpose of this demonstration, I just copied this fried chicken photo here from search. Remember, photos follows the shape of the frame. So if the frame is circled, then the photo will be circled. If the frame is triangle, then the photo will be triangle. So now, when it comes to the other menu item here, which is mixed fruits, let's drag the photo of some fruits here. And this is how you use a frame. So now, I want to show you some other examples of frames. So let me just copy this page, and you can do that by clicking here. You can see the number 1 here, and if you go below that, just click that copy of the page. And it will copy that page. But if you want to delete the items here, then delete element and we will just delete this. So now, let's say I want to add another frame. So let's go back again to the elements on the left side, and then let's click frames. And let me choose the frame. So now, I want to change this text here to fruits. For that, let's look for the photos of fruits and just drag the pictures on the frame. So that is how you can use frames. This image will automatically resize itself to fit on this frame. Now, let me just show you another example of how to use a grid. So for this, let's add a new page here on the bottom. As you can see, you will add a new page like so, and then click on Add a new page, and the new page will appear. So now, let's go back to Elements and then click on Grids, okay? And here you can see the different grid templates. So let's just drag one of these templates here. As you know, this will automatically resize itself to be on the grid. Let's add another photo here. And remember, this will be useful if you want to create a magazine type of grids. So again, there are many templates here for the grids and the frames. Now, let's go back to frame. So let's add another photo and add a new page. Here, I'll show you some other frames that might be useful for your designs. So here's a frame of a mobile phone. And let's just drag that. Let's put the picture in here. Okay, or if you need a frame of a laptop, that is also possible. Now, I want to change the color of the background to a yellow color. As you can see, here is also a frame of a laptop, and this could be useful for your designs too. So let's add some photos here, and this is how you use frames and grids on Canva.